You add a new application from administration, add a new application, or use the link that was given to you when you registered for Foglight. Give the application a name. Choose your application server type, in our case it's WebSphere, as well as the operating system. Next we do the integration type. Notice that the integration is done depending on how you start your application server. If you use node service or domain manager services, or you just use standalone server, just choose the right option. In our case it's a standalone server. Next we're going to put the home and the path. So this is the profile, this is WebSphere home. Notice that you have advanced options showing you what is actually being instrumented or what scripts are being modified. You can also use a proxy server for your APM agent. Now we can download the installer, extract the installer zip file, and run the installer. Press next. Accept the terms. Next. This is the installation directory. My personal preference is to install it to a Dell directory rather than program files. If you use a proxy server, you can specify it here. And give it a tier home. Install as a Windows service. Enable local system monitoring, pretty much monitor the OS, and let the installer finish. And now that the installer is done, all we have to do is restart our application server and exercise the application. If you look at the WebSphere directory, you'll see a backup of your start scripts, as well as the modified start scripts. And now we can start the server. Now let's go back to our GUI. Go back to monitoring. Monitor our WebSphere application, investigate problems with it, pretty much get an immediate value from the product.